Now let's see how to update objects using Entity Framework. So in this piece of code here, first we get the course with ID 4 from the database. Note this find method. This is a useful method that unfortunately I forgot to include in the lecture about querying objects. We use it to look up objects by their primary key. So it's a shorter way of writing the same code. Instead of using single along with the lambda expression, we can just use the find method. And if your records have composite primary keys, you can pass multiple values here. Like this. Alright, so we get the course, and then we change its name and its author, and finally call the save changes. Now a couple of things here. In order for you to update objects using Entity Framework, first you need to load them into your context. And this is because of the change tracker mechanism that I explained earlier. So when we first load this course object in the context, change tracker marks it with a state of unchanged. Then as we update various properties, the state of this object is going to be changed to modified. Now another thing is this author ID here. So what you learned in the last lecture about creating association between objects applies here as well. So here I'm using the author ID foreign key. Alternatively, I could load that author in the context and associate it with the course. Alright, now let's run the application and look at the query that is generated in SQL Profiler. So, okay. Here's the query. So update courses, set name and author ID, where ID equals blah, blah, blah. So the interesting thing here is this SQL command contains values only for the updated properties. In the next lecture, we'll take a look at how to remove objects using Entity Framework. I hope you enjoyed this lecture and thank you for watching.